Hi everybody, welcome to the new Faculty Institute's Amazing Race web app. And this is a quick little tutorial to get you started. So when you have your mobile phone and you start your race, you're going to want to navigate to this web address, mm214.com/race, and this screen will appear. Now the first time you show up, you're going to want to sign up. So you'll click on the Not Registered link to create an account. And once I do that, I get my sign-up screen, and I'll go ahead and go through with this and type in my email, and I'll add a username and a password. And once we get in here, we'll start our race. So at the top here, you see a progress bar. I haven't completed any steps yet. So when I go down to the bottom here, I see that I'm on step number 1, and I get a clue. So once I figure out the clue and meet my point of contact at the location that the clue is sending me towards, I'll have that person enter their code in this text area. Once they enter the code in the text area, they'll click the Submit Code. The next screen will show you a list of questions. I'm not going to show you the list of questions because that will give away the first location. Anyway, you'll ask the person or the point of contact those questions, and once you're complete, you'll be able to go and enter the next a button that will show you the next clue. So this will keep on going until you reach the final, and at which point you'll be notified. But it's pretty straightforward, and you just follow your progress here and have fun with it. Any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. I'll throw my email right here. Actually, I just did in the screencast, but ksecor@sdccd.edu. And if you email me for any help, any questions, I'd be happy to answer them and help you along. Thank you.